Okay guys, it's joke of the day. Okay guys, it's that time of the day. That's joke time. Okay guys, it's joke day. Okay guys, it's that time of the day. It's that time of the day when we tell a joke. Okay guys, joke of the day. How can you tell when two are lesbians? 'Cause they look alike.
Not nice. Oh my God, man. Some people are out of their wits. Anyway. Guess where I am? Wendy's. Alright. We're drinking iced coffee. I'll talk to you later.
Here it is, 8:30. I'm having a problem with my cable box. Gotta take the Wi-Fi to work. Pain in the ass. It's cable boxes. Oh, it used to be so much easier to just change the channel.
Hey, did you ever get like a bad feeling that something's gonna happen in the place? Well, I just did, so I get those feelings and I walk. You know, there's like a crazy guy in there and I'm not feeling comfortable. Oh, the guy I showed you already on tape. I'm not feeling good about him. Keeps on looking back at me like I took his soul or something. But anyway, I'm out from Wendy's. I drank my coffee and I got to do a few things. I'm out, man.
Oh, yeah. So I just dropped off the wife at John, and I'm having problems with the TV. Not the TV, the cable box. It's always the fucking cable box, man. What the hell? You know, I used to like when it was just you turn on the cable, or you turn on the TV, and you change the channel, and it was all fine. It was fine and dandy. But now it's like you turn on the TV, and you gotta have the cable box. You have to have all this bullshit going on. What the hell, man? Come on, man. Can't they invent a box that works? You know, I had to have the boxes changed. I had to have them changed I had them for 10 years. They never had a problem. And then towards the end, they had a problem. Now I get new cable boxes, I have a problem. I don't understand. They're new. They're digital. They're better than the old ones. And they have problems. The technology sucks, man. Let's go back to the old days where you just turn on the TV and you had a program. I don't understand. Cable! Wake up, cable! Wake up! Wake up!
Lunch. Subhuman. Oh my God. They got him.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Hey, did you ever see me eat pizza? And it's real hot too. Joke of the day. A guy and a parrot on his shoulder walk into a bar, and the guy says, "Hey, let me have 2 whiskeys." And then the bartender serves him, and the parrot drinks his right away. And the guy, he says, you know, he took it nice and easy. And then the parrot looks at the bartender and he says, "I'm gonna kick your ass." And the bartender looks at him and says, "Hey, why are you picking on me for?" And the guy says to him, "You gotta excuse him. He don't know how to hold his liquor."
Aha! Aha! What do you know from funny, you bastard?
Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the program. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and, you know, keep laughing, because laughter is good for the soul, man. You know what I'm saying? Ciao for now.